caught in the crossfire.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon. Hi, my name is Yusuf Ajiswandi. Register number 910.55.2121. Class Technical Eco. Migrated from Polytechnic Bumakweli. Now on, I will be a question about the engine room tools. Engine room tools. Good tools are expansion if a machinist is to do his best work quickly, properly, and accurately. Engine room tools. A hammer. The hammer is a very simple striking tool, being just a wooden head and a handle to direct its course. 1. The ball peen hammer. Often termed the machinist hammer, is a very useful tool aboard ship. The handle is of his core or the outward. The first portion of the head is called the fetch and the other end is known as the pin. The latter being used for hitting pivots and similar opening or driving operation. The hole or for the handle is the A. Bill-pin hammers are less oscars to the wake of the head without the handle. They vary in size from 4 ounce to 2 pounds, 3 popular size being the 6 ounce for light work, the 12 ounce for general utility, and the 16 ounce for heavy work. 2. The strike pin hammer is used for sparing or driving out metal in line with the handle, while the cross-pin hammer is used for the same operation at right angles with the handle. The claw hammer is used for driving and pulling nails. Hammer is with heads made of the soft material, such as lead, copper, backbit, screw with wood, plastic edge. Are called soft hammers. Soft hammers are generally used where a steel hammer may mar or injure the work. The work with a hammer having lost it, a lost it will eventually fly off and may injure someone. When using a hammer, it should be held near the end of the handle with the halves of the hammer parallel to the wall. A grip just take enough to control the blow is the best. Keep the hand and the hammer handle free from grease and oil. Otherwise, the hammer might slip from the grip. It should also be remembered that oil or grease on the hammer fetch might cause it to slip off the work and lead to painfulness. Do not ruin the hammer handle by using it for pudding or pine pots. Sledges or sledgehammers are used for heavy work. They can be produced in both single phase and double phase types. A double phase sledge being shown in phase 3 and vary in weight from 4 to 20 pounds. The handle vary in length of 3 Will that explain the engine room tools? Thank you, be useful. See you in the next video. Bye.